and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will take a look at how can we work with Microsoft Teams tab using PnP PowerShell. Now first, let's take a look at the Teams UI. Now we are in a project secret where we have multiple channels. So we have general channel, analysis, build, deploy and test. Let's say we are in a general channel and we would like to add the tab. What we see here is the posts, files and the notes. These are the three tabs that are by default available when the channel is provisioned. If you want to add a new tab, all we need to do is click on plus sign. As you can see, add a tab. This allows you to add different applications as a tab. Let's click on see all. We can add file browser, PDF, website, whiteboard, Visio, Power BI, Word file, planner, PowerPoint and so on. This is what we will be looking at. How do we add these apps using PnP PowerShell? So let's get started. Okay, we already have installed the PnP PowerShell module. So let's now import the module. Import module name PnP.PowerShell. Okay, now let's connect to the tenant. Connect PnP online URL. I'm going to specify a URL. Okay, I'm not specifying the grid credentials because I am getting the credentials from the Windows Credentials Manager. If you would like to know how to use the Windows Credentials Manager to connect to the Office 365 tenant, I will put the link into the description. You can watch that video. If you want to ask the credentials, all you need to do is just pass the credentials and use get credential method. Okay, let's continue. Now that we are connected to the PnP online, it's time to work with the teams. So first we will use add PnP teams tab. Okay, now the very first parameter is a team. In which team we would like to add the tab. So let's specify the team. The team is project secret. This is a team where we want to add the tab. Now the tab is added to the channel. So let's specify the channel as well. We will be adding this into the general channel itself. Now let's specify what is the type of the tab that we want to add. Now type is the enumeration, and you can see you have the document library, Excel, forms, stream, all the other apps options that we saw in the Teams UI is also available here. So let's first go with the simple website. We are going to go with the public website for now. So we need to specify the content URL, the website that we would like to see there. So let's specify a content URL. Well, I'm just going to put a Power Platform Learn into this project secret because let's just say the secret project is all about the Power Platform development. Okay, and we also need to give a display name. What will be the name of the tab? So that's going to be Power Platform Learn. Okay, let's add one more tab. Let's just copy this. Put it here, project secret, general. Now type, let's add a specific Word document directly, and we also need to specify the content URL of the Word document. I already have a Word document in a SharePoint site document library, so let me just specify the path. I have specified the path. Display name, it's going to be sample Word. Word doc. Okay, now here we need to specify the entity ID. Okay, you can also specify entity ID as null, but we need to specify the entity ID. It's the ID of the tab. We can also specify some number. So let's go ahead and specify the number as 5. Let's add one more tab, and this time around we will be showing the document library. So instead of type Word, we'll go with document library. Okay, let me grab the URL of the document library, or simply we can also show this as well. So let's just remove the document here, and this will show the document library. Okay, let's give it a name, document library. Good for now. Now in this case we don't have to specify the entity ID. Okay, so yeah, we are good to go. Let's execute and test. Okay, it has started executing. Let me flip back on the Teams general channel. You can see it has added the website. It's adding that. Oh, okay, we just forgot to remove one edge. So there we go. Should be fine. Let me just comment this. Let's execute this one more time. And now we should see the new tabs getting added. Let's just wait for an execution. There we have it, sample Word document. Let's wait for the other tab as well, and we have the document library. Okay, so if we click on Power Platform Learn, we will see the Power Platform Learn documentation, the website loaded within the Teams. If we click on a sample Word document, we will also see a Word document within the Teams channel. If we click on a document library, the entire document library would also be available within this. So as you can see, it's just coming up, and there we have it. Policy documents is now also available to be used in the team itself. So you can try the adding other applications as well, just like this. So now that we have added the tabs, it's now time to get the tabs. Let's go ahead and get the tabs. To get the tab, we will use PnP get Teams tab. Now we need to specify the team, so we will say project secret, that's the team, and which channel we would like to get the tabs from. So the channel would be general channel. Alright, that's it. Let's go and hit run. It's connecting, and it would get all the tabs of the specific general channel within the project secret teams. Let's just wait for that, and there we have it. We have the files, document library, sample Word doc, notes, and the Power Platform Learn, and you can also see the IDs of those tabs. Okay, let's just say that you would like to remove a specific tab. How do we do that? So for that, we will use PnP Teams tab. From which team we want to remove? We want to remove from a project secret. Let's just copy this. Alright, which is the channel? The channel is general. Let's spell it correctly, general. And specify the identity. And identity is the name of the tab. So let's just say that we want to get rid of this Word document. So let's just specify the display name of that tab, which is sample Word doc. Let's get that, put it over here, and let's just use force command so that it does not ask for the confirmation, and let's hit run. Okay, it is executed. Let's go to the teams and check. We should not have the sample Word doc tab. And as you can see, we no longer have that tab. So I hope this simple example helped you to understand how can you work with Microsoft Teams tab using PnP PowerShell. Thank you so much for watching the video.